anyways, change of plans. We was gonna slide through the jetty, but I'm gonna go home and go hop in that box, man. As y'all can see, I'm currently on the side of the road, Melrose right now for some reason. And Jason came, helped me, ended up pushing it to the gas station. He ran to go get some starter fuel because he's more determined to help me out than anything. AAA had to cuss them out. I ain't even gonna lie to you, boy. Melrose, you really pissed me off tonight, babe. But it's okay. Listen, man, you don't want to be stuck Florida Classic in the middle of Colonia in the front of the Magic Mall. And you got to put your car on the trailer because your car don't want to crank. Yeah. Woo. Yo, we back with another little vlog. And kiss my behind, dog. Why is they so packed today? Car wash over here. US 1, man. I'm in Fort Pierce for today. Got Buck Radar down here. Had to go take care of some business in Lauderdale. I said, you know what, man? Let me stop in Fort Pierce, man. Let's see what Fort Pierce hitting on. Buck Radar look like crap. So I gotta clean my son up, man. I can't have my son bending through the city looking like this. Can't have him looking like this. No, sir. Probably swing through the jetty, man. See where the jetty hitting, but give me a little drink and take myself back home. But, I got a busy week this week. Get out of this truck, man. Get started on washing bucket rail real quick. And I'll hit y'all back. And they do take car now. That's cool. That's cool. Okay. I don't gotta sit here and spend my funds for it. Swap out these shoes, man. Take off my good shoes. Put on, damn, they on the other side. Put on my little car wash shoes, man. Come over here and put on my good car wash shoes. We got on, got towels. I had to get a shirt from my grandma, man. But she come and give me a shirt that look like this. Come on, man. Let's see where them slides at. Brought to you by BBM, man. See y'all go shop with my cousin. See y'all check out his music, man. Stream his music. That's what Bucket Radar looking like right now. Daddy. Probably ain't washed his truck in about a good 2 months, man. Radar squared away. Got my son out here looking all dirty. Shit, I'm tripping over myself, man. For anything, I gotta go get that change. I was just gonna swipe my card, but I think I'll be swiping quite a few, man. I wash my car over here. I gotta be thorough and detailed. It take me a little minute. So about a good $10 should do me. Should be less than that though. Fun fact about this car wash, right? So back in the days, I used to stay, it used to be a Pizza Hut like two rows down. It's called Holly. And which I don't know, do me and my daddy? Yeah, I think so, man. I think I got a picture of he posted up next to my daddy bought Chevy. He had them Senegal Dayton's on there, man. We used to come to the same car wash, man, and get his what he used to call his car, the big car. He used to come over here and get the big car washed up, man. So it's a lot of memories here. I did a video with the Altima here before I even put any type of rims or anything on it, man, it was just strictly just music. I was jamming out good. This has always been like a sentimental car wash to me, man. And just to see that this car wash is still hip currently, you know, at my age, 28, man, it's, shit sometimes touch a little hard, man. Now I'm over here washing up all my cars, all my bills. I ain't even used the complete 10 on the truck, man. It's a nice little wipe down. It ain't the best. It ain't the best, but it's gonna do. Damn sure do what it do for the day. The rims ain't all the way clean, man. But at least I ain't got no bugs all on it, dog. It just look like I just got fresh off the road. That's it. Nothing major. I'm gonna probably shoot it down to the O sometime this week. I got a detailer down there, man. He do excellent on the truck. When I say excellent, me personally, when I'm washing this truck, I feel like it's like the thing on Ultima, man. Like, I get frustrated quick because first of all, it's so huge. It's red, like, I don't know, man. I sit there, I wipe the truck. It's like, damn, I missed a little spot, like right here, right there. It's a little dirt spot, man. Go ahead and wipe that off. But other than that, just cleaning up the slide through the jetty, spray a little tire shine on it. And that's about it, man, because shit, we're going to be back on the road tonight anyway, so I ain't even pressed on it. Boy, when I say I'm so high right now, man, so my grandma talking about something going on with a little piece on her door. She want me to come and check it out, man, so I gotta go check it out and try to see what's going on. I think I already know what she's talking about, so I'm going to stop and I'm gonna grab some adhesive. So once I get there, I can just go ahead and snatch that little piece off, man. I noticed it yesterday that it was poking off a little piece. So go ahead and get that taken care of for her real quick. But that was my gym workout, man. I'm trying to run it down on these gummies before I make it to my grandma's house. Cause I already know she gonna be tripping. Oh, you shouldn't be eating, you should be eating some food. Let me make you something. Man, I ain't got time for you to be trying to feed me no rice and no beans and all that. Grill, sauce wise. I ain't got time for none of that today. None of that. So let's smoke down on these gummy bears, man. Put my little side piece down. Snatch it off, clean it up real good. And reapply some adhesive tape. I was gonna use the glue, but they didn't have any in stock at the place, so I just went ahead and grabbed tape. Tape good as well. It's on there real good. Clean surface up underneath. It's my Yoda here. My Yoda got the little pieces where it's like a groove and all the little chrome script came off, but I ain't tripping, man. It's my little slider right here. So I ain't really too much tripping about that, man. I'm gonna have Brown to respray this. Fix my bumper back here from when them people had hit me, man. Haitian, man, they had no insurance, dog. It be your own people, dog. It be your own people, man. So yeah, that's pretty much what I went ahead and took care of all that little side trim right there. Shit back in action, man. Anyways, change of plans. We was gonna slide through the jetty, but I'm gonna go home and go hop in that box, man. It's the weekend, it's Sunday. Let's close out this weekend on a good note, man. I'm finna jump in that box, man. I don't care. Well, I don't even know where the hell I'm going, because I don't even got a destination of where I need to be going at. You might just slide downtown. You feel me? Slide downtown, post up, have a little drinky drink. Feel me? Catch a little football game, whoever we playing. I think, damn, who the hell play at 8:30? I don't even remember, man, but that's the plan. We're finna go jump in that box, man. It feels so good just to say, like, I'm finna go home and go jump in my holes. If y'all been on this journey, man, y'all know how crazy up and down this journey has been. It's just, if y'all been on this journey with me building Melrose, y'all know, man, it's been up and downs with Melrose, man. I had to build that car 4 times, dog. So, for every time that I had to build a car, y'all just gonna have to just bear with me, dog. Cause man, we're gonna be in it. We're gonna be bending corners, man. I got some things that people done been asking me that I'm gonna address about Melrose this week. It's not nothing dealing with the rims. It's like motor wise, transmission wise, stuff like that. And I've been meaning to get to those type of vlogs, but to be honest with y'all, I just been enjoying myself with the car right now, man. But I'm gonna get to y'all questions this week. I promise I am. Every question that somebody will ask me, what type of stall to go with, what size do I prefer, what my setup. I don't know if I can tell y'all the motor size, but I can tell y'all some of the, like, you know, key important things that I ended up dropping in the inside of the motor. If that makes sense. She ain't the prettiest motor. I mean, you feel me, with all the bells and whistles, chrome accessories and all of that, because you don't need that to go fast. You don't. I thought that you needed that to go fast, but no, it's just a show and tell type of thing. Later on down the line, yeah, we can get it, but we got to take care of important things right now. So, I'm about to hit this highway, man, just let my grandma highs. And, yeah, that's pretty much about it, man. So, I'll let y'all once we get further down the road.
Fast music now.
Pulling up to the highs, about to do this quick little bounce in and out. I got stuck out. Trying to do no way, and I do need to check my mailbox though. Check my little mailbox. Turn y'all back on in a few. Alright, y'all, so we headed to Chili's. I swung downtown, but it really wasn't nothing hitting downtown, so I was like, man, get it. We just swing to Chili's, park out front. Dang, I forgot my handicap sticker, man. We're just gonna park it up, man. I want to try this. Chili's is one of my favorite restaurants. Chili's and Ruth Chris. Probably about a good 3 times out of the month for Chili's, and Ruth Chris probably like twice. But if you do want to make me happy, you want to give me something for my birthday, man, give me a gift card going to Chili's. I don't think Ruth Chris got gift cards, but man, listen, man, give me a certificate to go to Ruth Chris. I'll be happy. But they got this 10 3 for me for $10. Somebody just shipped over there, man. Tell she ain't in town, so guess I gotta go eat by myself tonight. I'm gonna tell y'all something so crazy, right? Saw Hop in Melrose, she followed. Girl act like she wanted to cut off, man. So I get inside the car, look at the gas meter. I said, okay, you got some gas up in you. I dropped it down into to reverse. It seemed like I damn near lost a quarter tank of gas. I was like, what the hell? I don't know, it's because my garage, it's not like really on the incline, but coming out of it is like a little swope. So I don't know if all the fuel had done dipped to the back of the gas tank or what, man. But I said, come on, man. Y'all already know where we riding in, y'all. As y'all can see, I'm currently on the side of the road, Melrose right now for some reason. Don't know what the hell is going on, but I'm right here by a gas station. Luckily, I'm on the side of the road, so I'm finna see if I can probably just push it to the damn gas station or something, man. I don't even know if I even want to push it, man. Probably just call AAA, give me a light little tow to the house or something, man. But what the hell? This shit here crazy. All right, y'all. So I ended up meeting Jason, and Jason came, helped me, ended up pushing it to the gas station. He ran to go get some starter fluid because he's more determined to help me out than anything. AAA had to cuss them out because they telling me that I had done already used up all of my AAA rewards, even though I'm a Premier member. And what I don't understand is if I only use one tow, that was for Buck and Rado, and then the lockout, they telling me that I ain't qualified for no more tolls, no more nothing. So I'm just like, what the hell's going on? Like, I say, man, fuck it. Lady was like, oh yeah, it's gonna cost you like $200 for tow. $200 for tow and I stay right across the bridge? Hell no, man. So what I'm finna go do is probably go get Buck and Rado, get the trailer. I say it's good for me to drive the car right now so I can be able to try to figure out what's all going on. So it looked like Melrose will be going to Mike damn near soon, man. I don't know. Probably Wednesday, man. Probably take it down there to Mike on Wednesday, man. Go ahead and get this thing taken care of. I ain't even gonna lie to you, boy. Melrose, you really pissed me off tonight, babe. But it's okay. Don't you ever in your damn life have me outside at 2 o'clock. Crazy, but I always tell y'all, man. Everybody else always say, oh, don't drive your car, this, that, preserve your car. Drive your car so you can know what the hell happens with times like this, man. You don't want to be stuck Florida Classic in the middle of Colonia in the front of the Magic Mall, and you got to put your car on the trailer because your car don't want to crank. Melrose, you will be going to the shop on Wednesday. Girl, You don't embarrass the hell out of me tonight, man. But shout out to Jason for helping me, man. Man saw me in the middle of the road, dog. Man came and said, man, I gotta help you, man. You gotta get this beautiful ass donk to the crib. Dog. But I feel where he was coming from, man. The man interested in these cars, you get what I'm saying? Some people think that they don'ts, but they really not. They really bought Chevys, dog. But man, shout out to Jason, man. He helped me. Took me to go get Buck and Rado, came back, helped me load it, that thing on there. And what's so crazy, man, we was just talking about this too, about putting my winch on the trailer. See, now, I really gotta go and go put my winch this week, man, when I go to the shop. Gotta put that winch on there for times like this, man. It's a AAA, I promise y'all, I'm canceling tomorrow, man. I used one toe and they told me that I was out and I'm a premier member. I don't like that.